Hello, today is the first video I am making on my RC SuperNova plane. I think that's what it's called. But here is the first part of it. That is what it's going to look like for the first bit of it. The nose broke off for now. But otherwise, today we just got receivers in the mail and just binded them to our controller. And now we have our entire system set up with a motor, servo, and we got propellers finally. So after that took a while, but I'll turn some of the things on, show you guys the progress I have made. Okay, so we just plugged the battery in. That's weird. Beeping. It doesn't normally beep like that, but then again, I only tried it out once. Let's try this one or a couple more times. Plugging our ports into the receiver right now. And now making a connection between the battery okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that or see it, but our servo is now turning. Oh, our motor has stopped beeping, but now our servo is now working again. And now I will show you the motor. I got this motor off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. I got the whole kit. And it works pretty well. It's 1400 kV. And now I'm going to tighten this little propeller on that's going to be on this plane. I actually switched these wires here because instead of this motor going on the front of the plane, it's actually going on the back, so it has to be pushing air out this direction instead of pulling air in. So I switched these wires, and now it's time for the test. Oh, it's hitting that. That's annoying. And that's at like the lowest throttle setting. So, it seems to work out pretty good. And that is our main electronic system set up. I'm going to have 2 servos, and I'm going to have to configure something in the DX6i Spectrum controller. So, I'm able to connect it to these flaps way over here, because the servo is going to sit right in here and going to have to control this flap right here. And it's going to be the exact same over on this side, But on this side, there's just like nothing there yet because I'm still printing parts because I had run out of good PLA. But this time we got some PETG, and I've never used that before, so we're going to try that out and see how it turns out. I'll update you guys probably in the next couple of days when I figure some more out. Peace out.